All right, got these in the mail today. All the packages were delayed this year because we had some bad weather, and that combined with the really unusual weather we had this past year between the hurricane and I don't think the fire affected them because that was only a couple weeks ago. But anyway, I've lost a few hives, and a lot of other people have too. So it's not just me that had the problem. Okay, so let's get this queen out of here. Hopefully she's alive. If not, I'll be making a phone call to Sweet Mountain Honey. All right. Let's see. So they're all alive in there. The queen. Let's see here. Yep, she's in there. She's just not marked, which that's okay. All right. What I'm going to do is shake these bees into the hive. I'm going to put the queen in there, but first I need to get that cork out. What we do is, it's got this little sugar cube there, and the bees trying to get to her will eat the sugar to get to her, and it gives them a chance to adjust to the queen's pheromones. Okay, got my pick. I should have done that to begin with. And there's our cork. And then we just have sugar left in there, and they'll get her out by eating that sugar. I'll give them like 2 days, maybe 3 days, and I'll check to see if she's been released yet. If not, I'll go ahead and open it up. All right, so where's my smoke? All right. Going to shake them out as well as I can, and then I'm going to put that box right out in front, and they will find their way into the hive. Now I'm going to put the queen right there. I'm going to kind of put her at an angle like that. Now I'll put them in there. Got one more. Next. Feeder on top. Putting feed in, which is 25 pounds of sugar with 3 gallons of hot water, and I mix it up with a paint stirrer with my drill, and open them up. I put 25 pounds of sugar in a bucket with hot water, stir it up with a paint stirrer with a drill until it's all mixed up, and that will give them kind of some fake nectar. They will make honey out of it, but more importantly, they'll use it to feed the queen, so she will start laying, and they'll build some more comb. All right, so next. I have used a magnet before that works really well to grab this can because it's not easy to get. All right, come on, bees. That's food to keep them alive during their trip or the time that they're in the cage here. I shouldn't have done that. All right. Let's see. I think I see the queen right there. I believe that's her. And look how this one's already on it. I mean, and also look, notice how they've started to eat the sugar out to get out and get her out. All the attendants are alive with the queen too, so that's really good. All right, let's take our cork out. Good. Packages 3 pounds of bees with a mated queen, which is different from a colony, because a colony is when you buy what's called a nuke, that is a 5 frames of bees that they're already established and the queen's already been laying. It's probably about a $50 difference, but I've always had good luck with maybe more than that. Whoa, that's cool. I don't know if that can be heard on the microphone. You can hear the queen. The queen was, I forget what they call it. She makes like this sound to let them know that she's there and she's coming out. It's just like a buzzing, singing sound. Put our food in there. Put our lid on. We are ready to go. All right. Good luck, queen. Good luck, bees. We'll see you in a few days.